Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Amy. I have a package. I was reached out to by a company called VIP Cross Stitch, offering me products to do an unboxing video. So they had crochet items. So I picked crochet items, and they have a whole lot on their website. They're a company out of China. Very inexpensive prices. So anyone who is into cross stitch or crafting or anything like that, they offer free shipping over $50, I believe, and no tax. And you could get a whole lot for the prices that they have. So obviously I picked yarn, and oh, there it is. And a crochet hook. Apparently it got wet in shipping. This is pretty. This is milk cotton, 100% soft acrylic, 50 grams, and I believe their price on this is $2.79. But they are offering anyone who orders, I'm going to put the links in the description box to the products, their website, and a code. I think it's Amy10. You can get 10% off. I'm going to open this up, because I just got all the same. I got 6 skeins of this pink and white. Feels good. It doesn't say what weight it is, but it looks to be about maybe a 3. But it feels good. It's soft. And those are pretty colors. They have a lot of colors. And they have some different yarns. I have their website pulled up. Well, I did have. But they have crochet hooks, knitting hooks, all types of cross stitch items. Yeah, this is $2.79, and it is gradient color baby milk cotton, and obvious I got pink. But it feels really good. And as you all know, I've been making baby items for any future grandchildren I might have. And then I got a ergonomic hook set. This is an 8-piece crochet hook set, aluminum, 2mm, 2.5mm, 3mm, 3.5, 4mm, 4.5mm, 5, 5.5, and a 6. That's a 3. So again, look in the description box, and I will have a link to their website. I appreciate them reaching out to me. And again, like I said, you could get so many items with that discount code. See, it's gradient. I would call that, like, to me, that's kind of like ombre. I don't really know what hook size to use. Try 3.5. It's pretty. These are, they kind of remind me of those clover or whatever hooks. So look in the description box, and if you, they have other craft items, like DIY craft items. Obviously I picked crochet because that's what I like from there. I've never cross-stitched, but if you do, this should be your go-to place because they have so much to offer. So look in the description box for the link to these products and a link to their store. And then the discount code is Amy10, but I'll put it at, I'm not absolutely sure. I'll put that in the description box as well. So thank you all, and you all have a good day.